Shongshongha, hey, you sit properly, man. Okay, you will fall in love. I mean, you will fall in the water, let you. Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog. I mean, this is not traffic vlog, but it's video vlog. So yes, today it's raining, guys. It's raining, but today I am Soyang, guys. I mean, we are going to Soyang, and there is a new park. So stay till the end of the video. You can see this beautiful park, no? Look, guys, this is not black road. This is red road mixed with water. Even the water on the road look like milky, guys.
What?
Milky. So yes, we are going now. Finally, guys, we are reaching to this very cute location. We saw this on internet and now we are witnessing. So yes, let's see what they have inside. What beautiful they have. So yes, stay tuned, guys, and enjoy this video. This is my first video, guys. Lot of camera here and there, lot of unprofessional. This is not professional video, this is unprofessional. So don't mind, guys, the video is not good. I'm trying my best to highlight the video. Stay tuned, guys, we are here more. Stay tuned. Lots of people are coming, lots of family, lots of people. Finally, guys, we are here. Look, I show you everything. I show you all the surrounding, guys. Now you look, wow, big swimming pool, guys. This is Indian Ocean. Look, there is a house also in between, guys. Cute house. Wow, what a cute. Swimming pool also have, guys. They also have swimming pool. If the sun brightness happen, you dip yourself, guys, and relax. Wow, cute, guys, cute. So it's raining, guys, no umbrella, so we have to run, guys. Running. So look for place for safety. Yeah. Hey, what? Fishing or what? Oh, you're looking cute with the dog, huh? Wow. There's a big umbrella out there, guys. Since I don't bring umbrella, I have to run, guys. Lots of rain, lots of what. You see this cute house? Wow, that's a cute house, guys. The rain is too much and the cover also wet. Luckily the cake is not wet. Yes, so yes. This is the Pensorkaba, I don't know, pretty feel, I guess. I don't know, you judge, guys, you judge. Now we are going to that ocean, guys. We are doing it with the boating, and we are boating. This is what we are boating, guys. Hey, come pick up us. Pick up. Where to come? Where to join? Okay, I'm coming, bro. So let's run. We are excited, guys. We are going to sit on this lovely Titanic. This is Titanic, I mean mini Titanic, guys. Yes, mini Titanic. So let's go. Hey, you carry the cake. Be careful, more. You cover it with the scarf. Cover, yeah. Oh, lots of rain, lots of wetness happen, lot of whatsoever, guys. Hello. I am running fast right now. Excited, jadi dak Pak Soling. Finally, the mini Titanic is here. We'll go inside and we will travel to that cute house. Wow. Shongshongha, hey, you sit properly, man. Okay, you will fall in love. I mean, you will fall in the water, you. Don't be like Jack and Rose, sit properly, otherwise you fall happen and then you die happen. Okay, sit properly. Sooner, boss. Don't move. Wow, cute rain. Oi, drive fast, man. No shattery, no umbrella. We are going to Chilut, no? Yes, we are going to Chilut. I hope I don't get wet. I mean, I hope I don't get sick. Lots of sickness would happen if this stream is continuing. Fast, 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 fast. Wow. Lots of cute water. Fishes also have here. They also have fish, guys. Finally, we are here. Crispy. I mean, slowly get down. See, my pants wet. Slowly get down, slowly. Hey, take care of the cake like you take care of the girlfriend, eh? Yeah, down. We are here, guys, so look what we have. Wow. Cute table, cute scarf. Now we are unboxing the cake. Wow. Such a cute cake, isn't it? Wow. You guys, you won't have. I give it to you all. This is because of you guys. Your love, your passion, your support, your everything, guys. This is everything yours. Hey, slowly. Don't destroy the cake. Don't destroy, no. Slowly, don't destroy. Yes. Wow, very slow. Where's the knife? No knife? Wow, we don't even bring knife, guys. So finally, guys, we have a bamboo. I mean, to see a bamboo. We'll make sure I cut a knife. This cake is for the love and support, guys. We reached 30 plus followers, 30 plus K on Instagram. So enjoy the show, guys. Cutting the cake. Happy murdering the cake. We cutting the cake and we eat like whatever. I don't know the song. You guys enjoy. I'll take the first bite. Guys. Yummy. You also have. Yes. This one is for all of you guys. If you want, you can comment below. You want cake, you want half. So I'll take one piece. This special slice of cake, is for you guys. Your love and your everything. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. I love you guys. Take a bite. Bye.